Alright guys, so welcome to lab 3 part 2. So what I'm gonna do here, well, first of all, this is gonna be lab area 0, and this is gonna be area 1. So the red is area 0 and the green is area 1. This interface is gonna be included in area 0 as well as this one, and this one will be included in area 1 as well as this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the IP. Go ahead and assign IP to all these interfaces here. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm going to do to other routers, and then I'm going to let you, if you like, you can skip the video since I'm just going to be assigning IP to the different interface. Alright guys, so that's how you do the IP configuration. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do the rest of the IP configurations. Let me do a show IP in brief. And then I can see that interface 00, which is this one, is 10.1.2.1. Internet 01, which is this one right here, is 10.1.3.1. And then Ethernet 02 is 10.1.10.1, which is this one right here. I'm going to do the rest of all the routers. I'm going to pause it real quick. Alright, so welcome back. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go ahead and do OSPF. So I'm going to use the router number as the OSPF. So I'm going to do router OSPF, and here the process ID, I'm going to use the router number. So I'm going to do 1, and then we're going to assign the networks. So the way that you do it is you do network, and you basically assign, this is router 1, so all the networks that are surrounding it, okay? Because those are the networks that OSPF is going to have. So here we do network 10.1.10.0, which is this network right here, and then it's going to ask for our wildcard bits. Well, this is /27, so I already calculated it here, and the /27 has a dot 0.0.0.31. Okay, so it's going to be 0.0.0.31, and then the area, and where area is this? This is going to be area 0. So we're going to do area 0, and we do the same thing for network 10.1.2.0, and this one is going to be a /29, which is going to be 0.0.0.7. That's the wildcard. 0.0.0.7, area 0, and then we're going to do network 10.1.3.0. Then we're going to do 0.0.0.7, area 0 as well. And we do a do show run in section OSPF. And it shows us here the ones that we have in our running config. Okay. So I'm going to do that now for router 2. So router 2 will be this networks right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then router 3 will be this networks here. So it'll be network in this area right here, this area 0. This network will be in area 0 as well. Then this interface will be this area 1. And then this will be in area 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we do OSPF, router OSPF. This is 2. Network 10.1.2.0, 0.0.0.0. This is 7, area 0, which is this network right here. This is going to be in area 0. This is going to be network 10.1.1.0, 0.0.0.7. This is area 0, which is this network here. As you can see, it's forming an adjacency already. We do network 10.1.4.0, 0.0.0.7, area 0. And it's actually area 1, so we have to negate this command. So we're going to copy that and put no, this network, and we're going to paste it again and put area 1, because it's this network right here, and we said that this interface, this network is going to be in area 1, so it's going to sit there. Okay, and then network 10.1.6.0, 0.0.0.31, because it's a /27, and then it's going to be in area 1. Okay, so basically you do the same for the other routers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and have OSPF configured. Alright, so I went ahead and did OSPF on all the routers, so I'm going to show you here, and we're going to verify it. So we're going to do show IP OSPF. Actually, let's do show run, and then the section is going to be OSPF. So here we have on router 2, we have 10.1.1.0, this is router 2, 10.1.1.0 is this one, 10.1.2.0 is that one. The correct wildcard bits is .7, yes. 10.1.4.0, which is this one. The correct wildcard bits is .7, yes. This is area 1, and then 10.1.6.0 is .31, and then it's going to be in area 1. Okay, so let's do the same thing for router 3. So we do show run section OSPF, and then we can see here as well all the other sections. I have done that for all the other routers. So do show run section OSPF. Okay, router 4 has 3. Should I have 1, 2, 3, 4? Oh, okay. The reason why I'm not including this one is because this is where HSRP is going to come and play, and it's going to be in the routing table. It's going to be represented as an external type 2. And what you want to do is you want to enable OSPF on the interfaces. You don't want to mix them, so you want to have them separate. So what we can do here, we can say, I'm already in this mode router, so I can say network 10.1.9.4, and then I put zeros in all the wildcards, and this is going to be area 1. Okay, and then we do the same thing for router 5. Do show run section OSPF, and then we do the same thing, network 10.1.9.5, which is this one, then 0.0.0.0 area 1. Okay, I forgot to do the loopbacks, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'm going to pause the video. I think it's a good time to stop, and then next we'll do HSRP.